Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log out of Snapchat on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log out of Snapchat application from your main camera page of Snapchat, go and tap on the emoji icon located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now from this page, tap on the gear button in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll all the way down until you see a logout button under My Data. Give it a tap, and if you're sure you'd like to log out of your account, click on Logout. As you can see that you've been logged out of a Snapchat account from your iPhone. To log in back again, tap the login button in blue and enter your credentials for your Snapchat and get logged into it back again. I hope you learned how to sign out or log out of Snapchat app using your iPhone. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.